Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be sharing some Boxycharm PR. So I got the November box here, and I also got the starter box that they sent us like right before the November box. So I am going to go ahead and share them both with you guys. I did share the starter one on my IG stories. I will be sharing, if I haven't shared, probably as soon as this video goes up, my November box in my IG stories as well. All right, guys, so the starter box that they had sent was from the Sunshine theme, and this was variation box 1. And what I got in here was the Ace Beauté Blushed in Paradise palette, which retails for $30. And this is what the colors look like. It's a beautiful palette. Also got the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, and this retails for $135, guys. That's crazy. This is what the packaging looks like. It says it's a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Super interesting. Next thing was from Grace and Stella, and this is the anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks, and you get 12 pairs for $21. Well, this retails for $21. All right, then you also get a velvet liquid lipstick from Hola Neon, and this retails for $17, and this is a beautiful color. I showed it in my stories. This is the Easy Sell, and it's so perfect for this time, for the fall season. I'm gonna swatch it here. So pretty, I love it. And the last thing in here is from Hourglass, and this is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. This retails for $28. Let me show you guys. This is a natural black, which might be a little too dark because I usually use brown for my brows. But it has the spoolie on one end, and then you have your color on the other. And I'll swatch the color so you guys can see. Yeah, it's really black. Which, I don't know, maybe I can use it. There might be a possibility. All right, guys, so that is the starter box. Now I'm gonna show you guys the November box. So this in here is awesome. This is the Harvest box, and I got variation 33. All right, so in here we get a 25% off site-wide coupon code for Natasha Denona. Wow, guys. The code is NDX Boxy. It's gonna be valid until December 25th, so you have time to get your Christmas presents in there. All right, so first thing in here is in this right here, and this is a Natasha Denona palette, guys. This is crazy. Wow, this is heavy, really heavy. This is the Peak palette, and it's 5 pans, and this retails for $48. Look how beautiful those colors are. Wow, love that. That's gorgeous, especially for the fall. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. That retails for $48, I think I told you. Next thing in here is from Yensa, and it's a Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. So I'm excited to try this because I love pumpkin, I love masks, and I also love turmeric. Look how pretty. I love the orange packaging. This is $45. So it says it's a 2-in-1 mask. I can't wait. Can't wait to try that. Next thing in here is from Peach and Lily, and this is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser with Camellia and Chamomile. I love cleansers. I love trying new cleansers. This retails for $28. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Doesn't really have a smell. Great. Next thing in here is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. This is the packaging that it comes in. This retails for $24. I cannot wait to try this in a Mascara Monday. So this is going in a Mascara Monday. It's sealed, so I don't even want to open it, but the packaging is interesting. So I can't wait to try that on a Mascara Monday. And then the last thing in here, which I already love, is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Pero Primero Primer. And this is an eyeshadow primer. Very, very good primer. This retails for $15. And that is it for my November box. Awesome, guys. I love them. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are not subscribed to Boxycharm, you don't know what you're missing out on. It's $25 a month for 5 pretty much full-size makeup items every single month. And usually one of the products will pay for your box. So if you guys are not subscribed to Boxycharm, don't sleep on it. Subscribe to Boxycharm. I'll have the link down below. So as you saw, I got amazing products in both boxes. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.